boys and girls. Today I would like to show you and to teach you about the half hour. We learned about the hour. Now we need to learn about the half hour. That means 30 minutes. So the other day you learned about the hour. Today you're going to learn more about the half hour. Okay, half hour means 30 minutes. So if we look at this clock, we still have the short hand, which is the hour hand, and the long hand, which is the minute hand. And again, this says 9:30. You know why? Why, Miss McCourt? Well, let me tell you. Because on this clock, it is in between the 9 and the 10. It didn't quite make it to 10 o'clock yet, so it's still in the hour of 9. So it's 9:30. Now, if you look at the 6, a lot of you will say it's 9:06 because I know it's 9 o'clock because it's got the hour, but it's not on the 12 anymore, so it can't be o'clock. It is 9:30, okay? 9:30. That 6 means 30 or half past the hour. Half past the hour, what does that mean? Well, if you look at our clock, it is a circle. The circle stands for the whole. The whole. The whole is 60 minutes is in an hour. Okay, that's how we know how many minutes are in an hour. And then when you know half of the clock, if you were to cut it in half from the 12 straight down to the 6, that's half of the clock. So that is half past 9 or 9:30. 9:30. Okay? So if we look at another one, remember we always go from left to right. Let's go for look at that one. Now, did we make it to the 1 o'clock yet? No, we're still in between the 12 and the 1. So we're at 12:30. 12:30. Yes, that's right, because it is half past or half of an hour. So that is 12:30, half of an hour. Okay, let's try another one. Remember, the 6 where it points the minute hand is not going to change. Let's try this one. Okay, so now remember that the small hand is pointing for the hour and the minute hand is the longer hand, and that's pointing to the 6, but we don't say 3:6. We say 3:30. 3:30 because it is half of the hour. Now, if we continued up, if you continue our minute hand up, you're going to see something. If it was with a real clock, you'd really see it good. Goes all the way up until it gets back to the 12. And then it's a new hour. That becomes 4 o'clock. Okay, but today you're going to work on having the minute hand go down to the 6, which stands for the half hour. So this one is between 4 and 5. We know it hasn't gotten quite to the 5 yet, so it's still in the 4 o'clock hour. So it's 4:30. 4:30. All right, boys and girls, good luck on the next slide. You're going to have some fun trying some activities.